and welcome to Food and Magic. In this video you will see 4 quick breakfast recipes of overnight oats, which is packed with proteins, fiber, vitamins and minerals. This is an interesting way to incorporate oats, fresh fruits and nuts in your breakfast. Just prepare and refrigerate overnight and the next day your breakfast is ready. The 4 recipes shown can be tried on alternate days to break the monotony. So let's get started. The first recipe is of strawberry oats. It is packed with antioxidants and proteins. This breakfast is light, quick, filling and delicious. I'm sure you will love to try it out. Here I've taken 1/4 cup of muesli with nuts and raisins. This is the ready-made pack which is easily available. To this I will add a ladle full of homemade thick curd, 2 teaspoons of castor sugar and not honey because the strawberries that I've taken are a little sour to taste. I'm adding in 1 teaspoonful of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of sunflower seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of flax seeds, which are extremely good for health. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of jawar flakes. This is also called as sorghum or new quinoa. Add in 3 to 4 chopped strawberries for the flavor to set in. Now I will add 100 ml of almond milk. Just soak the almonds and grind with lots of water and the almond milk is ready. Add sufficient milk as the chia seeds and muesli will swell up in few hours. Set in your favorite glass or bowl and leave little space on the top to add fresh fruits and more nuts and seeds of your choice just before eating. Keep this glass refrigerated overnight. This is ready to go into the refrigerator. Let's see the next recipe of banana chocolate with pumpkin seeds. Here I've taken the smaller variety of bananas, which are also called as ladyfinger bananas. They have a very peculiar taste and these are much sweeter than the normal ones. You can use any variety which is available to you. Just cut it into pieces the way you like it. To these banana pieces, I will add 1/4 cup of muesli which has nuts and raisins, a ladle full of homemade thick curd, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of flax seeds, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of jawar flakes. This is completely optional, you can add wheat puffs too. Add half a teaspoon of cocoa powder, a pinch of cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of castor sugar. I will also add honey as the cocoa powder is bitter to taste, so we need to balance with the sweet taste. Add in the honey, add the almond milk about 150 to 170 ml. You can use more or less depending upon the consistency you prefer. Mix everything well and set in a glass or bowl of your choice. As normal is boring, try setting these in your favorite glass or in a jar which is trending nowadays. Here I will add 1 teaspoon of dark chocolate chips. They taste delicious in this recipe. Mix and it's ready to set. A glass full of yumminess ready to refrigerate overnight. Let's see our next recipe, which is mango coconut with flax seeds. Again take 1/4 cup of muesli with nuts and raisins. When the mango season was about to end, I had chopped a few mangoes and deep freeze them to use whole year long. Add the frozen mangoes 3 tablespoons. This year onwards you too can store mangoes and enjoy them in the off season. This is 1 teaspoon of desiccated coconut. You can also take freshly grated coconut. Add a ladle full of homemade thick curd which is made with toned milk. To this I will add 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of flax seeds, half teaspoon of pumpkin seeds. To this I will add coconut milk about 100 ml, and mix well. Add the jawar flakes or corn flakes as per your choice. And give a good mix. Pour in your favorite glass. This combination is my personal favorite. Do try these recipes and let me know which one is your favorite. And it's ready to set in the refrigerator to be relished for breakfast the next day. The last recipe is of mulberry almond with watermelon seeds. Take 1/4 cup of muesli with nuts and raisins. To that add a ladle full of thick curd, a teaspoon of chia seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of flax seeds, crushed fresh mulberries 2 tablespoons. These will add a wonderful taste and color as we are not using any essence for flavor. Mix well. Here I am adding plain milk around 150 to 170 ml. I will not use almond milk in this recipe. Add only a teaspoon of honey as the mulberries are sweet to taste. So the quantity of honey will be decided as per the sweetness of the mulberries. Add 2 tablespoons of jawar flakes or corn flakes as per your choice and give a good mix. Add a teaspoon of watermelon seeds and pour in the glass to set overnight. Similarly, you can make oats with other fruits like apple, custard apple or chiku when in the season. Also, these can be eaten as a snack in the mid-morning. So grab your ingredients and plan your next breakfast with these combinations. So if you like my video, do not forget to press the like button given below. After 6 hours of refrigeration, here is the strawberry flavor, banana chocolate oats, mango coconut oats and mulberry oats. Just load them with fresh fruits and some more nuts and seeds to start your day with these high on energy recipes. Also, I would like to mention that these oats can be stored in the airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Make each glass look appealing and make a happy start to your day. So if you like the video, do press the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.